Hello class, this is another video on quotients of powers. This time the quotients will involve bases that are variables, unlike the previous video. So here we're going to work on the very same problem, but we're going to have two different approaches to this. So first I'm going to go ahead and take care of the quotients, and then I'll multiply those quotients. So this means that this quotient x to the fifth divided by x, then that's going to become x to the fifth minus 1 times this other quotient, x to the ninth divided by x to the eighth, that becomes x to the 9 minus 8. Simplifying the exponents, I have x to the 4 times x to the 9 minus 8, that's going to be 1. And then take care of the products, so I need to go ahead and add the exponents, 4 plus 1. So that means that the final answer should be x to the fifth. Now let's go ahead and take care of the very same problem, but this time I'm going to multiply across. So I will do the products. So multiplying x to the fifth times x to the ninth, that means that I will keep the base and I will go ahead and add the two exponents. And I'll do the same thing for the denominator, where I have x, no exponent, but because I see it once, then that means that the exponent is 1. Do not make the mistake of saying that that's 0. Okay, it is 1. So 1 plus 8. Simplifying the exponents, I get that for the numerator, x is going to be to the 14th. The denominator, I have x to the 9th. And at the end, I take care of the quotient. So that means that x will be to the 14 minus 9. And that means that x should be to the fifth. So the answers are the same. Do notice that depending on how you work it out, then you might feel like you're doing maybe a little bit more work for one way or the other, but in reality, for both of them, it took 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to the answer. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get to the answer. So again, regardless of how you want to approach it, okay, as long as you have products and quotients, if those are the only operations that you're dealing with, then you can go ahead and approach it in any way you want.